Students, now we are going to deal with the 7th experiment, that is determination of surface tension of given liquid by using the drop weight method as well as drop count method. Already you studied in the unit of the 3rd unit regarding the surface tension chapter how to measure the surface tension. So here capillary rise method, by using the drop weight drop count method you will be measuring, right? So here now we will be taking the drop weight as well as drop count method. This method we will be going to do with the stalagmometer. This will be calling it as the stalagmometer. So now what you will do is, so this is the upper end of the stalagmometer, this is the lower end of the stalagmometer. This will be calling it as the bulb. This will be calling it as the bulb. So if you clearly absorb, this is the A, this is the marking above the bulb will be calling it as the A, marking below the bulb will be calling it as the B. So you will be having A marking as well as the B marking. Now by using this stalagmometer you will be going to you have to measure the drop weight method as well as the drop count method. Now I will be determining the surface tension of 4 liquids, that is toluene, benzene, acetone, benzene, ethanol. So I will be going to determine the surface tension of toluene, acetone, benzene and ethanol. Now what you have to do? What you have to do is, first when goes to the drop weight method. Now when we go with the drop weight method, you have to take a empty beaker. You have to take a empty beaker whose weight is to be measured. You have to take the empty beaker whose weight is to be measured. So the weight of the empty beaker is 52.81 grams. Now what I have to do is, by using so this is the empty beaker, what the weight we got. Now I will be taking the benzene and I will be pipetting out
ఎలా వస్తుంది మేడం? ఎగ్జామ్ అప్పుడు ఇచ్చింది ఒకటే అది.
I will be putting out the benzene into this stalagmometer. Now I will be measuring the drops. Now I will be measuring the drops of this benzene. Now you have to measure up to 20 drops of the benzene should fall from this stalagmometer. You have to wait until 20 drops of the benzene falls from this stalagmometer.
ఎగ్జామ్ అప్పుడు ఇచ్చింది ఒక్కటి పెట్టుకున్నా, కొత్తదే ఇచ్చింది ఆమె. లోపల దాకా పెట్టండి మేడం. కొంచెమే ఎక్కి కొంచెమే పడుతుంది.